Hi, I'm Madison, and my technology tip is how to make letters capitalized. You push shift and you push the letter you want at the same time, and it will make your letters capitalized.
Hey everyone, I'm Layla. I'm in 5th grade, and today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste. So, your first step is going to find a spot where you're going to copy and paste. This is my spot. Now you're going to find a word that you want to copy and paste. So I'm going to copy and paste this word, cake crumbs, and I'm going to highlight it in blue with my mouse. So all you need to do is click and drag your mouse, and then don't click again. So then you're going to hit the control button on your keyboard, and the control button can be right over here or right over here. It is abbreviated CTRL. So to copy, you're going to hit Control C at the same time. And then you're going to go back to the place where you want to paste it and hit Control V at the same time. Oops. And I held it down too long, so I have a lot of that word. Oh. But this is my final word. Thanks so much for watching.
My technology tip is about charging your devices, because when you wake up, you don't want them to be dead, do you?